Welcome back. Today we're out here looking at some more mobile homes.
All right, this one is called the Horizon.
Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
1,660 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. 32-foot wide by 56-foot long. Let's go check it out.
Oh man.
Okay. So walking inside, right off the bat, this is a beautiful home.
I want this kitchen.
Everyone we go in you want. You can't have all of them, Amanda.
I want this kitchen.
This is beautiful. Wow. This is probably one of the nicest ones we've looked at in a long time.
And that electrical fireplace.
Wow. So here is your living area.
I love that one.
You got 8-foot standard ceilings with AC vents in the ceiling. And this home is very beautiful, even though it is not tape and textured. I think a lot of it's the color that they chose. Like it just looks very nice in
You
here.
don't notice the little strips are not.
Yeah, this if you don't notice it, I mean, this home has, I can't even speak. I'm speechless. This is a beautiful home, y'all. So this is board and batten walls, VOG wallboard. You got board and then a batten strip, board, batten strip. But the way this home, the colors of it, like you don't even notice the batten strips. Very beautiful. Let's check out this kitchen. This kitchen is for a family like ours. If you got we don't have a real big family. We have 2 children, but we have a lot of family that come and visit. And this will be perfect. Look at this. Nice farm sink. You got cabinets over here too, Amanda.
Man.
Dishwasher. I really like the sink in the island like this. I like it.
I like it so that you can grab all their plates.
Exactly. If they're eating up here, let me grab your plates. Now, is there electrical outlets on this? I didn't see any on my side. Not on this side either.
Oh no.
Any up front, maybe? I don't see any electrical outlets. You think there would be because there's a dishwasher. So maybe we're missing something.
Oh, on the inside.
Oh, she's got some. So there is outlets
They're on the inside.
on the other side. Yep. So they're tucked in under there. So behind here you have electrical outlets.
Tucked away.
Yep.
Man.
All right, let's check out this kitchen. I'm going to start off over here. I guess first I'll do the dining room. We're already over here.
I like this is in its own area.
It is. Plenty of room for the dining room.
Wow.
Dining room table.
You definitely have a bigger table.
This home is a family home right here. This is a very nice. Spend some family time here. Eating your suppers together. Nice sliding glass door. You can put a huge porch on the back. Get you a swimming pool out there. Anyways, now we're going to do the kitchen. This kitchen does have stainless steel appliance package. Tons of cabinet space.
I'm overwhelmed with it.
It's a very nice house.
It's a lot of storage. A lot of storage.
Plenty of outlets everywhere. Like, man, you could put your coffee maker here. This would probably be where I put my coffee maker. Right
No,
here.
no, 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 no.
No, she said? Oh, no, because there's a coffee bar over there.
Coffee bar.
All right.
Man.
I get ahead of myself, y'all. There's more to it.
I said the kitchen goes on.
This is a big kitchen, y'all. Look at all this. All that cabinet space. Plus the island has space under there. Plus you got a coffee bar. Nice shelves.
Some other station here.
Yep.
I don't even know what this one would be.
Just to put stuff on. I don't know. It's not like you don't need to put a microwave there because you got one up there already. Like
No.
it's very nicely set up. Beautiful home. Back here is your washer and dryer. Goes right over here.
Oh.
Whoa!
What?
There's a big pantry back here.
Oh my gracious.
Or a storage closet, whatever you want to use it for. I'd probably put like some canned foods and stuff back here, you know, like the stuff you don't really want in the kitchen, you know, stuff you don't use a whole lot of.
Not to take over your
Yeah.
kitchen, yeah.
200 amp, what did I say? I almost said a 2000 amp breaker box or something. You have a 200 amp breaker box here.
I like that bench there to fold your
Yeah,
clothes.
fold your laundry over here. Probably put a deep freezer over here or something. You got plenty of room. Wow. Big laundry area. So I'm really liking this house. Amanda too. This is nice.
I want that kitchen.
Beautiful kitchen. I'll look at it one more time.
Humongous. Humongous.
And remember, these homes aren't finished yet. It's still missing a lot of trim. So if you see bare spots, you know, it's just, there's final trim work that gets done once the house is in place. Again, here's your living area with your fireplace built into the wall. Nice electric fireplace for wintertime. And it just looks nice. I love that wall. All right, there's the master over there. So we are going to start over here. Keep y'all waiting. So here's your guest bathroom. Very nice guest bathroom. Double vanity. Wow, I like this. It's a gray color. It's hard to see. I don't have light, but
Let me get my phone.
it's okay. You can see it pretty good. There you go. Amanda's going to shine some light on the situation.
Ooh, glass door.
Nice shower. Yeah, for a guest bathroom to have a door back here. Look, I went to go pull it. You guys know I do it on every video. This one's taped here. They're taped for transportation purposes. But Dan always likes to touch stuff. I'm like a little kid. I gotta go open up all the cabinets. See what's in there. There's your toilet lid. For the back of the toilet. All right. Bedroom number 1. Good sized bedroom. I really like the color of these walls. Like, I don't think we've seen one with this color walls.
I don't think so.
Is this
They're
like-
usually light or tan?
And this is a live oak home. Am I correct?
I think so.
I'm pretty sure this is a live oak. Anyways, at the end of the video, I will have all the pricing and information about this home. And make sure y'all check out our other channel, our other tours too. Our other channel. We do have other channels, but make sure y'all check out our tours on this channel. We have a bunch of tours. Back to the video. That was your word from your sponsor. We sponsor our own videos. Anyways, this is really nice, y'all. Big closet. Is this a master closet? Wow.
It's a big closet.
It is. Good sized closet.
Man.
So first bedroom is looking good. Second bedroom, straight across the hall. And it is another big bedroom. Just the closet's a little bit smaller. Wow.
It's still a good size though.
Yeah. These are big rooms. So here you go. For a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, you got 2 nice bedrooms at the end here.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have children, they can get a nice sized bedroom. All right, let's walk over to the master.
Get over that kitchen.
All right, here is your master bedroom. 2 big windows. Very big master bedroom.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
And the closet is right here. Good sized closet. It's pretty big, huh?
Yeah.
We're liking this. Y'all, this is a nice home. Wow.
I'm surprised.
Lots of light in here. Remember, there is no electricity on in this home, and there is a
Wow.
ton of natural light. Look at this. Here is the master bath.
That is pretty.
Huge vanity, nice mirrors, garden tub. You got a shower.
I like the glass wall on here.
Ready? Here I go. Oh, it opened. That's a big shower. What'd you say you liked? I didn't even notice. I walked right past it. Wow, that's why when you walked in, it's like it just looked so big.
Yeah.
So that is very nice. We gotta get in the shower and check this out. Come on, y'all. Come in the shower with me.
Holy moly. Man,
Wow.
a lot of room in there.
Yeah, I do like that wall. I could be in here getting a shower, scrubbing my body. My wife could be over there getting a bath. Trust me, y'all don't want to see my body getting scrubbed. I'm a big boy. All right.
Oh, built-in linen. Love it.
Like it. Another window up here. Got some shower hooks. Got your toilet.
Mm-hmm. Very big vanity.
Yes. I like the drawers.
Yeah.
That's something good. Man, this is a really nice house. Again, beautiful home.
Very, very.
You know what? This home could be y'all's. We're going to leave all the pricing and information at the end of the video. If you guys like this home here, go check it out because this is a really nice home.
Mm-hmm.
Great for a big family. 3-bed, 2-bath. But those rooms are big enough to put a couple kids in each room.
Yeah, good.
Good size home. Anyways, we have a ton of mobile home tours on our channel. If I haven't told you already, go check those out. We also have a ton of other information about mobile homes on the channel.
Mm-hmm.
We have buying guides. We have all sorts of really cool and useful videos on our channel. So make sure y'all check those out.
Now, the price of this home is in the $145K range, and that's at the time of recording. This price includes all delivery, setup, skirting, steps, and AC. For more information, Google Live Oak Homes and find a dealer near you. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.